If you want to learn how to trade just like me, join the community, click the private Discord link, sign up through this membership level, and you will gain access to weekly group mentorship calls for free. Boom! And just like that, the all-time high is here. We're on the Twitter, Louis_crypto. Make sure you're following me here. We've got about 2.2k followers. Let's get this up to 3k. And essentially, we were just going back to a post that I had on the December the 8th, where I retweeted it and posted that the all-time high was here. This was essentially a video update on the YouTube, which had a title or a thumbnail suggesting that we would actually achieve the all-time high, bearing in mind that we held and confirmed the reversal wave right over here. So it was quite easy for me to, with my 5 years of market experience, to gauge that if we created the reversal wave and confirmed its support right over there, as we did, then we'd get this eventual continuation to $27. This was a call from about the $17 mark, so a nice $10 increase from that point. Now let's head over to the actual chart right now, where we're seeing the all-time high being tapped here at $27. This is the 1 fib level that comes all the way from, if I go to the 5-day time frame and reset this chart, we can see that right there is the 1 fib level. We've met it pretty much today. And so in today's update, we're just going to pretty much go through what is the next step. So nice to see that it continued melting faces and finally the all-time high is here. But now what is the next move for Injective? We're going to run through all of that in today's update. So make sure you stay tuned, like, subscribe, comment and share so we can hit 7.5k. And if you want to get educated, wait until the end of this video or message me on Twitter or use the links down below to head straight to the website. Now, we've met pretty much the all-time high. However, we haven't met all the technical targets out of this Fibonacci, which again, all of these targets became valid when we confirmed that $17 area as support right there. This was pretty much a previous inverse head and shoulders neckline. And so for those multiple reasons, the golden pocket, reversal wave, as well as the inverse head and shoulders breakout was a suggestion that we'd go ahead and meet the target, because we're flipping where we're meant to get rejected and put in new lows and flipping it into eventually support, changing the path. And with that, you've allowed the 200 EMA to consistently drag up, and we can now firmly say that the lowest point of this uptrend would be $17, as the 200 EMA previously is the bottom of our uptrend as shown here. And here, if we fall beneath the 20 and the 55, could be coming to the 200. As long as that holds, that's your optimal entry point as a DCA level or for a short-term trade in the buying direction if we're holding it as support. So we're getting that continuation now that now that the all-time high has been met, but we're yet to meet these final sets of targets. It could be that because the all-time high is such a big thing, we may not get that immediate continuation to these targets. I think what now needs to happen is a pullback to around the $23 area where we are seeing previous wicks, but also the 20 daily moving average. We will now scale down to the 4-hour time frame. Oh, sorry, we are on the 4 hour, so never mind. I thought we were on the daily. But essentially, it's the 1618 here at $23 that needs to be confirmed as support. I'm going to zoom in now because we can see that when we broke through the 1618, this previous candle before the breakout actually had a key area of support being confirmed, the 1272, $20.74. So if we ever do lose the 20, it's not all doom and gloom. There is another key level beneath it that could eventually reclaim the 20. So let's just pretend that it's already lost the 20. Boom, we've come down to the 1272. The 55 needs to give us a bounce that reclaims the 20 to confirm its support so we can continue to the next set of technical targets. Guys, that's pretty much it from me today. Not much more to say other than we're coming back down to test key levels of support, whether it's $23 or $20.75 for a reversal to continue to these bullish targets. So right now, immediate short-term correction. Hopefully all these key levels do continue to hold. Remember, you just need to stay above the 200 EMA to stay bullish, and we are looking at much higher price targets as a key area of support going forward for reversal and continuation eventually. Thank you so much for tuning in. Like, subscribe, comment and share. And if you want to get educated so you can do this all and predict where the market is going as well as profiting off of it, then message me on Twitter or go straight to the website, links down below. Cheers everyone. I've got a whole bunch of educational content, and over here on the website you can see loads of other people taking action recently. If you want to get educated, simply scroll underneath the video, click take action or Linktree, and click the option that you want to read more about or private message me on Twitter. Let's start off with the ebook. This is where you can take action on my ebook, teaches the exact strategy. Head over to the membership level if you want to become a Discord channel member, where you have access to 2 weekly group mentorship calls. Or if you want to take action on my 6-hour long pre-recorded course, there's an offer here and you do get Discord chat for 2 months totally free. Here is my beginner one-to-one mentorship plan, which includes 3 hours of my one-to-one help, the course, and 2 months free in the chat. And there are some other plans here for 5 or 10 hours of my one-to-one help. Use the links down below to private message me on Twitter or head straight to the website using one of these links to take action. Cheers.